Howdy. This video is for an experienced personal injury paralegal who's got one of three problems that you're looking to solve in your current job. And I'm going to keep it quick for you because I know your time's important. You got a lot to do. And I don't know if you can see that, but I got something to do too in the form of eating some tacos that are definitely not going to eat themselves. And I want to go eat those, and you want to get on with your day. So what are the three issues that you might be dealing with? Well, number one, maybe you're in a place working for a firm. You love your job, you love your people, you find the work interesting, but you wish you had a little more flexibility in where you do the work or how the work gets done. And I can solve that problem for you. You come work for our firm, we have a lot of flexibility. So right now, we're based in Casper, Wyoming, but we have other folks on our team who work outside of Casper, Wyoming, some that work in the area and come to the office 1 or 2 days a week. We also have several people that work out of state and are entirely remotely. So if you're one of those people who's an awesome paralegal, but you're like, man, I wish I just had a little more flexibility. I wish I could schedule around my kid's schedule a little bit more, or I wish I could work from home from time to time or all the time. We can make that happen. I'd love to talk with you. Problem number two, you love your job, but you feel like maybe the people you work with don't really appreciate you because after all, you're just a paralegal. I don't know if you know this or not, but we attorneys, we're the important ones. We make the important decisions, and it'd be really great if you could maybe stay in your lane and do what you're told. Well, that sounds awful, and if that's what you're dealing with, we understand why that sounds awful. That's not what it's like to work for Platte River Injury Law. We want paralegals who are passionate about their work, capable of doing their work, they know the value they provide, and because of that, we think that those paralegals deserve to be treated with respect, to have decision-making authority in cases, the opportunity to move cases forward, and ultimately to be seen as equals in the case. And frankly, you're not just equals, you're among the most important people and parts of the case. And our clients tell us this over and over again. So we want paralegals who know their value and want to be respected and appreciated for their value, not treated as second-class citizens. So if that sounds like something that you're looking for, then I'd love to talk with you. And number three, maybe you have a good leadership team, but there's some kind of nasty in-office politics that you don't really like dealing with. You get sick of the drama, you get sick of the gossip. If that describes your work environment right now, I'd also love to talk to you about coming to work for our firm because we don't have any tolerance for that. There's not room enough for everybody's egos, including my own. And there's not room for gossip and backbiting and people who don't want to work and in-office drama. So if you got drama, you'll have to take it somewhere else because we don't really have time or space for that. But that's what makes our team so awesome. That's one of the things we hear over and over again about the people who are currently on our team, our current paralegals. They love our team because they're respected not only by the leadership, but they love the relationships and support they have from all the other staff who's really just interested in loving each other well and getting in there and doing good work for people who need help. So that's what it's like to work for Platte River Injury Law. We've got good benefits, we have very competitive pay, and we're looking to build on our team of already amazing people with additional people who really care about clients and helping them get the compensation they deserve when they're injured and going through one of the hardest things or hardest periods of time in their life. And hey, we like to have fun doing it. I mean, why else would I have a pig on my hat for our annual cornhole tournament and pig roast that we've been doing for 11 years? That's the kind of people we are. If one of these three problems is plaguing you right now, we'd love to talk with you and see what a bright, beautiful future together could look like. All right, I gotta get to those tacos.